Professor Peter Lau. He is here. Give Peter a round of applause.
我哋3位嘅 VP Miss Yvonne、Miss Angela Yang 同埋 Mr. Thomas Liu， 我哋俾啲掌聲，我哋依家 Senior Management 唔該。
喂 ，Phyllis， 仲有冇重要？
其實我哋今晚仲有啲重要嘅人啊。係咩？係啦，就係我哋在座邀請嚟嘅所有嘅 VIP 同埋我哋嘅 guest， 多謝你哋抽空嚟到我哋今晚呢個 celebration party， 多謝晒。
Thank you all, VIP guests, for coming. You are the most important people tonight. Now, let us take a few moments and have some of our key individuals give us an official welcome speech. So first, we'd like our boss, my boss, Ong, to come up and give us a welcome speech.
有請午飯。
大家好嘛？好。今晚呢度正唔正啊？正。首先咧，我要多謝所有嘅同事，多謝你過往嘅努力，9月、10月嘅努力啊！當然咧，都要多謝你哋嘅貴賓今日嘅來臨啦，係嘛？我一齊啲掌聲歡迎啲貴賓好嘛？咁啊，亦都多謝咧公司嘅 corporate 嘅 staff 同埋啲老闆咧嚟到啦，好多謝你嘅支持啦！我都俾掌聲鼓勵你好嘛？俾掌聲，多謝你嘅支持啊！咁所以我都係唔話，都係唔好用呢啲啊！嗱，今晚咧，其實嚟到呢個場地咧，其實好多謝我呢度嘅老友啊 Danny 啦，因為呢笪地方啦，啱啱 soft opening 嘅啫 ，OK。咁我亦都唔想喺呢度多講啦。咁啊，今日咧準備咗一啲跟落去咧有少少抽獎啦嘅時候，我哋啲同事有。咁啊，亦都有啲cash 嘅 lucky draws 啦，希望今晚大家玩得開心啲，好嘛 ？OK， enjoy yourself tonight，thanks，OK。
唔該晒吳生，咁喺呢個時候，
各位同事好。咁啊，唔好意思先嚇，因為咧阿波就講一張都唔夠，我哋有4張紙喺呢度。咁所以咧都可能幾長啊，大家俾啲少耐性啊。今日其實係一個好特別嘅function啊！